Want to learn more about the Extreme Farts Pack?
Fucking ginormous. Come on. Sienna left us alone in our house. So
our house.
In our house, we're just alone in our house, and we're thinking right now.
We should leave an upper decker.
What's that?
So you know how you can lift like the lid off the toilet, like the top of it.
Yeah. $10. I'm going to Sienna's room. Evan's not. He's not allowed. All right, guys. I'm gonna pull it up to the function. Yeah.
Only our real 32 subscribers will get this one.
Sienna! You look so pretty in the sunset. They're trying to butter me! Fuck you! You look pretty in the sunset. Trying to butter me up? Huh? Is this what you do when you break? Bro, Kira got that alternative music tape. This is not me, guys! Kira got that alternative. This is not the oxy. Take it off. He's controlling.
I can't help it.
Guys, she's about to wind me up.
What the f is he doing? Oh my god, look at the stars.
Oh my goodness, I don't like this. This is worse than my first.
Dang, worse than a roller coaster, bro. But like for real.
Oh yeah, but like.
But like on the real shit. Do it. I could do it. Bruh. Bro's being a good girl. Bro's being good. There's. Why are we dancing for him? No, turn! No, wait, no, turn! Don't turn! The fire, Kira.